Hello guys, welcome back to the Board Driver channel. Compliments for the new season to all our subscribers and all our returning viewers, guys. And if you're new on the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any insightful content and videos that we post on this channel, guys. And in this channel, we only post about e-hailing businesses and how you can improve yourself as a driver and how you can get information if you're a car owner and you're looking for a driver and you're looking to to venture into this business. Here we give insightful information, guys. So as we all know, we just concluded 2024, and usually the festive season is a very busy season, especially for the e-hailing industry, guys. And as drivers, we took advantage of the season because I believe 2024 we saw some of the most highest peaks of high demands, that has ever been recorded. I don't know where you were, but in Johannesburg it was so busy in such a way that a 1 kilometer trip was costing about 67 something bucks, guys. So we made a lot of money, and that's why I'm posting this video to show you how busy it was and how much we capitalized on the moment, guys, because we all know that Jen is quiet. So that's why we always advise car owners that whenever you're gonna travel, rather leave the driver working on the festive season, because that's the time where they actually make money, guys. So if you didn't work, you missed out. So just enjoy the video and watch us as we were making money, guys. If you were sleeping, but we made money. I mean, just look at the high demand. It was red everywhere, guys. And many of you would agree with me, would see it was very, very busy. I don't know from which area you're watching this video from, or from which country, but I think you'd agree with me that December usually is always busy, guys. So check this video out and I hope you enjoy. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much. Until we meet again on another video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers, guys.